guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. Today, I want us to talk about what happened on Monday. It's Wednesday today. What happened on Monday? You know what? I am it's afternoon now. It's 2:30 in the afternoon on Wednesday. I'm sitting here thinking, I did not see any judges matter. I did not see any lawyers or whoever meant that normally comments or anyone or any of these media houses calling someone. I could be wrong, but I did not see. Maybe someone else have seen that. I did not see them comment about Baloyi and Sibanda's behavior on Monday. Why is that? Because is that allowed what they were doing when they were refusing to assist the court in their own case that they brought against the accused? Was that fair? Was that on? Was that supposed to be like that? I'm sitting here wondering, but I did not hear anything being said about those. What happened in that situation? Someone please tell me. Someone please tell me, because now I'm confused. I'm confused. No one said anything, like literally no Dalimpofu, no LPC, no NPA, no Judiciary, Tonton, JSC, no Justice Department, nix. So what Baloyi and Sibanda were doing in court, including the judge, was that something that happens inside the courtrooms? That behavior, no one is going to call them out. Huh? I'm sitting here thinking, it's the afternoon today, and it's been days now. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's day 3 today, and it's still about that. CPI, guys, what's going on in this country of ours? Honestly, what's going on? Because, wow. I don't remember seeing anything. I mean, literally anything about it. I don't. All I know is that over 6 million spent on Senzo Meyiwa case, and then also Baloyi is still not closing his case. Like, honestly. But do you know what I like? These incompetent. I get they are called black lawyers are incompetent, or there's a suggestion. Or but there's this thing that they can't do their work. Yet in the Senzo Meyiwa case, the same black lawyers who are incompetent, they're doing the just good work. They're doing the Lord's work in that court. They are exposing shenanigans left, right, and center. They don't play. They're exposing the prosecutors. They're exposing SEPs. They're exposing the judge. They're exposing everything. Even from the time of Aba Mngomezulu, people get exposed. It's not even funny. And do you know what? That else? I remember Abo Ramsipile and Abo Ngomalo, they used to be looking down and stuff like that. Hey, gone are the days. Gone are the days they don't care anymore. It's like someone was busy training them. Gone are the days of them looking down. They don't. They speak out. They answer. They yay. Someone on Twitter says, on X, Pabasa should reconsider their decision to continue pursuing the complaint against Judge Ratta and maintain that his apology was not genuine and he did not show true remorse for his racist remarks. Listen to this, and they tagged Advocate both. They tagged him. And then we are busy today dealing with the video, or we dealt with the footage of Longwe. We dealt with the photos of where we are busy. We are supposed to be dealing with in inspection in local. That one is not. Ubaloy thinks that he's gonna dive that one. Does he honestly believe that it's gonna happen? No, there was an order made. We need to fall through for that order. They need to go to inspection in local. For them to go there and take pictures, not our problem. And also take misty pictures. Aibo! Picture. Wasn't Judge Rata supposed to say, okay, hang on, if the accused, who's supposedly the one that we are dealing with when it comes to these pictures, is saying that we can't see, let's go to because the house is full of police officers there that are accompanying it. So why are those officers not accompanying them to Vosloorus? Why is that not done? There are police officers to accompany Gininda every day, but there are no police officers to actually go and do inspection in local. And then now we are subjected to talking about pictures. And then we are subjected to Gininda being asked about medical tontons of Longwe. Oh, oh, mm, 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 mm. I'm one of those people that are saying that after the entire Kenyatta thing that he's doing with Ubaloy, Umnisi must not do cross-examination of Kininda. He must say, can we please go for inspection in local? I want to see something with my client. Can we please do that? Let's do. Then we will come back and question again. That needs to happen. Because what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? No. Asizukwazi kaloku. Because if Gininda is confident with these pictures, they must go there, go for Vosloorus and visit the site. Yeah. Someone wrote, Gininda and Baloyi must be arrested immediately and Rata subjected to conduct committee. Oh my God. I wash my hands with the Judge Rata's courtroom. The witness is now leading the evidence instead of the state prosecutor. Kunzima bafethu. Kunzima. Someone says, Longwetwala showed signs of lies live on Metro FM. Hayi, Nkosi yami. Hayi, sisentweni eMzantsi. So, Kwazi wrote on Twitter, so Gininda is full of nonsense. One, obviously, blood samples were taken from wall to would be Senzus. No blood samples were taken from floor because it was cleaned. Two, no one confirmed seeing Longwe at the hospital. They were uncertain. Yet we must believe that he was there because Gininda said so. Imagine that. The state is grasping at straws, Smagade, make it stop. Remove. I wish I was a fly on the wall just to see meeting Gininda no Mabasa after Mabasa was done with his cross-examination. Because me, I wish I was there. Ngibazwe okanye abobaloyi ukuthi mabengene office la baye bathi like there's a lot of things like yo Hi, Nkosi yami. Someone says the trial has become a chaotic scene. The focus has shifted from seeking justice for sense of to uncovering the corruption and manipulation within the police and legal system. Gininda and Baloyi must be arrested immediately and judge Rata. Hey, these people can write. Put Twitter. Twitter is something else, son. Abadlala abantu. And then uthi Sterling advocate Mgomezulu guilty until proven innocent. Gininda, the truth is a journey that knows no bounds. Ginindering the truth is a journey that knows no bounds. Actually, it's true. It doesn't know no bounds. When it needs to come out, it will come out. It doesn't matter how. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to your views? Because me, I'm like, I go. A lot happened on Monday, and we saw nothing. We heard nothing, unless I missed it. Wena, did you see anything that speaks about what happened on Monday? What Baloyi and the judge and Sibanda were doing? The judge opted to keep quiet because he said he will be subjected to media ranting. But when you say things wrong, so now he's going to keep quiet when he's supposed to take a stand and lead. Unless he wanted to say something against the blacks. He should have addressed the people inside, which was Baloyi and Sibanda. He, instead of addressing them, he said, now when I say something, when I comment, I'm scared to comment because Bo. Anyway, guys, what are your views? Let's talk about that in the comment section and all of the things that I mentioned. Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Bye-bye.